I kept thinking after you said it that if the phrase that if you don't work every morning, if you don't wake up with energy every morning, you should rethink your what you're doing.
Are you excited about your life?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Okay,
excited. Yeah,
just checking.
yeah, yeah, I'm pretty excited. But would you recommend that idea also to, for example, me as an undergrad, I still have a long way to go. Would you recommend that idea to me, even though I don't have like a net worth like yours?
Oh yeah, I mean, I think that it's not a matter of net worth. I mean, I followed this edict when I had no money. I mean, I follow the edict, and I think Warren also says that you should go to work for business for people that you like, admire, and trust. So it doesn't matter. The money is irrelevant. I mean, quite frankly, uh, you're in a country. My father-in-law jokes that the U.S. is one of the only countries where the poor people are fat. You're in a country where even if you don't have money, you're not going to starve. So basically there's plenty of safety nets in this country. So the good news is there is a bottom below which you can't go unless you've got other mental issues or other things going on. So if you have your facilities about you, you don't have much of a downside. And what you ought to do, because you're well educated and you've got lots of skills in a society that values those skills, that you focus on working with people that you enjoy working with and doing work that you enjoy doing. And if those factors are not being met, hit the reset button. Pretty simple. So, and I think what will end up happening is that if you truly do what you love doing, then you will do it well, and you will actually do well in your career. So it actually has a payoff. Every time I've actually hit the reset button, it's led to higher highs. So the reset button, at least for me, has never hurt me. Even though when I hit the reset button, I'm actually going into an unknown, but it's been fine. The unknown's been okay.